How's it going today, humans? How's your mom and them? We got a new bike. We got the Eliminator. This has been my daily driver for a few months now. It's been pretty alright. A lot to get used to, but it's alright. I'm not even gonna try and keep up with that. This is like a 450. Whew. It's hot in there. You know, they say it's easy to scrape the pegs on a cruiser, but since the Eliminator wants nothing in this life more than to be a naked bike, it's got pretty good clearance. Just hanging out in traffic. Whee! It's warm today. It's been cold for like a week before this. I don't trust this acceleration. Somebody's gonna brake up there, and then everybody else is gonna brake, and then I'm gonna have to like downshift and all kind of other shit. And, it's all good. Like I said, have yet to scrape the pegs. No trains. No trains. Like, I don't know why people like to tailgate bikes. Like, I can't make these idiots go any faster. Leave me be. I need you guys to fucking pick a speed and stick with it. I don't trust you. You brake too much. It's because you're like right on that guy's ass. Intense focus. Feels good to finally fucking be moving again. Okay, I know the second I post this, somebody's gonna hop up in my comments and be like, "Where's your gear at, ma'am?" And I'll be like, "Well, I don't have any currently." I got gloves, I got boots, I got a helmet. But ATGAT people are almost... Actually, no, they are the motorcycle riding equivalent of the people that, like, come up to you at a gas station or, like, to tell you how dangerous these are and how their cousins, sisters, boss's brother Jim Bob got killed on a Harley in 1987. To which I have to say, skill issue. Like, live and let live, man. I know the risk. I take the risk. I've experienced the risk. You're not dating me. You don't pay my bills. Shut up. You better stay your fucking porker ass in that parking lot. I'm going with the flow of traffic in the lane I'm in. I should probably adjust that. Bring it a little closer. I'm getting better at rev matching. I'm not great at it, but I'm getting there. It's been a while. Shit, almost 20 years since I was on a manual motorcycle. I know I'm about to go, but being hunched over like that all the time is not great on my back. It'll be a minute. I got time. This may not be the most entertaining video I've ever put up, but I'm tired today. Anyway, I'm almost home, so yeah, I'm alive. I'm still riding. I'm gonna keep the next like couple miles between me and the insurance company. Y'all have you a good one. Bye!